Hi, my name is Dr. Robin Abramczyk, and I'm a general dentist in Heath, Texas. The name of my practice is Smile Ranch Dentistry, and I practice with a biological and integrative approach. And I am here with one of my friends, Nathan Tamaro. And Nathan, tell us a little bit about you. Where are you from and what you do?
Well, I'm originally from Minnesota and then moved to Kansas City and connected with some people up there. Been in Plano now for the last 4 months, but my friends in Kansas City had started a hemp oil business. It's called CBD American Shaman. So I've connected with that, and I've been just promoting it and helping people have the awareness of that product, which is just wonderful, and doing some really great things in the lives of everybody.
That's wonderful. So tell us a little bit about the healing properties. Is there only one oil? Are there different oils? Are there different properties and different healing potentials for the oils?
Well, it works with the body in several different ways. They found that we all have this thing called an endocannabinoid system. So the cannabis plant, which is hemp, derives from that plant. And there's no THC, so it's non-psychoactive, but it is full of all the 85 plus cannabinoids and terpenes. They all have their own little unique healing properties. So when you introduce that into your body, it'll stimulate certain receptors. They didn't really know that they had those there until about 30, 40 years ago. And so those receptors are kind of doing different things, and since they're located in different parts of the body, depending on how you bring it into your body, whether it's sublingually through a tincture, or you can vape it, or you can use it topically, you're going to stimulate certain receptors. And so there's just the different ways of using it for the different cases that are out there.
So what type of cases would you use it for?
Well, anxiety, stress, depression, memory fatigue, sleep disorders. Those would be what you could use for vaping. Those, they find more of an immediate result when you vape, but the tinctures also cover that as well. Now, the tinctures are more of a whole body. They affect all of the receptors. The CB1, they're called cannabinoid 1 receptors, and then the cannabinoid 2 receptors. So the cannabinoid 1 receptors are located in the brain, the spinal column, the muscle and fat tissues, and the digestive tract. Then the CB2 receptors, the cannabinoid 2 receptors, they're located in your immune system, so all of your organs. And so the vaping will directly impact the CB1 receptors, and using a topical will stimulate the CB2 receptors, and taking a tincture will stimulate all of them.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So what about the children that we've seen who have seizures? That's that's something that the CBD oil is really known for.
Right, neurological. It's bringing the body into balance. That's what it really does. So whether it's chronic pain, even cancer, MS, Alzheimer's.
And that CB1 more?
That's well, if it's neurological, it is. Yeah, CB1, okay. Epilepsy, things like that, cancer, that would be more of your CB2 receptors.
Okay. And then as far as immunity and the CB2, is that if someone is sick or they're trying to get over something, do you use it acutely, or can you actually enhance the immune system?
Yeah, it's bringing the immune system into balance. So when you stimulate a receptor, because I should back up. So what it is, we have this endogenous system, this endocannabinoid system. Endo, short for inside. So we make the things that are in the hemp plant. Our body actually produces them. So we just are typically deficient to some degree, and when you introduce the cannabis plant through this hemp oil into your body, it like wakes it up, and it all of a sudden starts doing what it's supposed to have been doing all this time. Mm-hmm. So if you have inflammation, it brings the inflammation down. If there's like hormone imbalance, it'll bring it back into that balance where it's supposed to be. Mm-hmm. So whatever the issue, it will find a homeostasis.
So taking it, so if someone is not sick and they just want to be healthy and maintain homeostasis, they can take it. Mm-hmm. If they're starting to feel ill or sick, could they also take it to enhance their body's ability to fight off infection and disease?
Yes, absolutely. Antimicrobial, so it's building up the immune system, and when you have a healthy immune system, you don't get sick. Mm-hmm. So using the oil as a general maintenance type product, you're preventing things that you're not sure what you're going to get down the road. What you're avoiding, the unknown by staying healthy. Mm-hmm. You could be living next to somebody, breathing the same air, eating the same foods, and they may get sick and you may not. Mm-hmm. I would like to think it's because you're taking the CBD oil and they're not. You know.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, it's so very interesting, and we're now carrying his CBD oil here at Smile Ranch. We're very excited about it, and thank you so much for sharing.
Absolutely. Thanks
Thank you for
having me.
joining us today.